Rocky's eating his peanut. We're gonna go check the pond out. There's the other one over there. Right there. Right there for you. I'm going to feed the fish and see if they eat. Check our garden, which is doing very, very well. You see them? And our carrots and radishes are growing. And our string beans continue to grow too. So we got that. We'll get that garden bed up today. And there's Rocky eating his nut. Let's see if they skirt away. Let's see. Put some more over here. We'll come back out this afternoon and do this. This is the morning. There we go. They're feeding. Bring me a little closer. See them all eating. And the waterfall is doing very, very well over here. Let's pan out again. And the fish are eating. Come on, sir. Next time I'm going to get the flavored ones. But we got used to them eating and stuff. So we'll get to those plants and stuff this week. We'll set up our frogs on the bridge this week. And we'll make our first backwash on the pond and the waterfall at the end of the month. Oh, it's looking good. And we'll get to all this hopefully by the weekend. We'll have our gazebo in, and they're waiting for me to go away, and then they'll eat it. So we'll go to this side, and you watch. They'll go to the food now. They're debating. They're still not friendly to me, but they're getting there. They're nibbling at it little by little. They're still unsecure. Should we? He just fed us. Why would he? He's not going to net us. He's not going to take us out of the pond. They'll eat. Come back later and it'll all be gone. From time to time they nibble at it. See? There's a couple nibbling at it. Yeah, see, they go. See you in the next one.